Linoleum, is this a cruel trick?
What?
It's slippery.
Well, not really.
It's slippery.
Yeah, but they know how to walk on it. If I put a towel down, they just pee on it, so it's kind of worthless.
Yeah, we do a lot of laundry.
Yeah, every day.
Yeah.
That one's about ready to fall asleep.
You little feisty. You little feisty
Come
one.
on, you little fartlet.
You little
Wake
feisty
up, wake up. Wake up. Come on. Come on, here we go.
Oh, maybe hates his whiskers pulled.
It's just like Daddy.
Remember
one
how
always-
Jenny used to do that? To rev them up?
Hi.
You are such good puppies, these you are. And every one of them's different. Yeah.
Is this a cruel joke?
They're slipping all over the place.
They get up and walk, see? See?
Yeah, they're doing great.
Oh, pee, pee, pee.
This is what makes them very sure-footed.
Exactly.
All the pee?
No, all the slip sliding around.
Slip sliding away.
Is this a cruel joke? I love it. Come on, everybody in a pile.
This one's plain.
Yes.
Are you going to get it? Are you going to get it? I'll pull your whiskers.
No, you don't
Hey,
pull
pull your
whiskers. You go
whiskers.
like this. You just kind of like this on the sides of their mouths.
Hey. Hey.
I'm gonna bite you.
Go, puppy. And you got in the way.
Good girl. They open their mouth like little sharks. Not good.
Hi. Hi. Hi.
See, they walk pretty good for being slip sliding everywhere.
Oh no, get away from me. Cute.
They were actually peeing on the paper going away from the nest at 2.5 weeks.
Hi. That's you.
Yeah, take a picture of that little butt. That's a nice collar on that puppy. I was concerned that the white, the gray lines on their hips were going to be white, but they're not. They're gray. On the toy. Right on this and stick this again. Here, like that. Oh my God, what's that in my mouth? It's right here, silly goose. It's right here.
I hit the wrong end.
Oh God, what happened to you? Come here.
The tail.
Dog fight.
It's like their walruses are showing up.
Uh-huh.
I just couldn't help myself.
You and bellies.
Oh,
So cute. And they have puppy breath.
Mm-hmm.
you're just too cute. Just stop wiggling.
So I think this weekend, 3.5 weeks, no, 4 weeks, I put him down in the kitchen with the, in the puppy pen, don't I? With a crate? Yeah. And up here at night. Look at those little feet. Look at those little feet hanging out. Too late.
Here, can you get a picture of us? This one's just like all mellow.
Would you? I was going to ask you to move it, but I'm going to move it. Who is that one? Oh, little girl? She's not mellow at all.
A little girl.
She is too mellow.
She is not mellow. She's the one that first started fighting with everybody.
Are you sure these aren't Summer's kids?
They could be. Okay, you got about 1 billion of them.
Now they're sleeping.
It's okay. You have to go potty. Hmm? You have to go potty? Here
No,
you
that
go.
one already did.
Poop. Did he already poop?
This is not good audio.
Okay, never mind. Here you go. Back on the pile. I thought you were sleeping.